Well, welcome back to another episode of Automotive Drama. Today I got a 2000 Hayabusa. Really super clean bike. I mean, just immaculately clean. Never been laid down. Looks like it's been adult ridden. Fuel injected. Guy got it for a good deal, but the guy he bought it from said he parked it in his garage 10 years ago. He drove it in and hadn't touched it, and the mice got to it. Look at the wiring harness. Just completely, just eaten, eaten to the point where they ate the wire all the way in the harness protector thingy. Just eaten. Oh my Lord. Eaten. Where else was it eaten? I don't know. Everywhere I look, it's eaten. Eaten. Boy, can the mice do some damage. Look at what they did to this thing. This is all from a mouse living in there. All this crap. Look at this thing. Him peeing in there. Look at all the rust. How bad. Just bad. A mouse will destroy it. This one down in here. This is going to be fun. I'm pretty sure that's the clutch switch. I haven't even looked at the wiring diagram yet. He even ate the damn rubber hose. Right there. Freaking mice. This is going to be fun. I got my stuff all ready to go. Spool of wire, a bunch of extra wires. I got a little pin connector there. I actually do have the terminals so I can change the coil wires relatively easy. Yeah, this is going to be a fun one, folks. Stay tuned for more episodes of the Eaton Gixxer. Alright, well, thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more episodes. Have a good night, and give me a little while, and I'll show you the progress I'm going to have on this Gixxer. Have a good night.